Hello, hello. This is Robin Sampson McCarthy with BibleJournalClasses.com. I am out of town. I'm visiting family for the holidays, but so many people said they didn't know how to find their class. I just wanted to show you real quick. It's very, very, very easy. Go to BibleJournalClasses.com and click Log In. You'll be prompted for a password and username. Put those in. And what happens is you will get your classes. This is your library. My courses, and then you will see all your classes in here. If you've been a member for a while, you have more classes, but the two classes that we would need to look at right now is the Creation Era class, and this isn't a class, it's a kit, the Creation Kit, and then the Membership Hub, which has some freebies and things in it if you're a member. If you're not a member, you won't see that. So here is the Creation Era class. In the class, which you can start now, the lessons will not be published until January 5th. There's a welcome to the course. You just click it on and read through it. And all the parts of the introduction are up here too. Read through the introduction. Then you can read about me by clicking that on. You can read through your outline and objectives. Then you can look at the schedule. This has a download, so you can download the PDF and keep that for your journal. When you see a page like this and you want to see it bigger, right-click on it and say Open the image in a new tab. And then you can see it better. And here you can see that January 5th is when we start the class. And here's a little bit more about the lessons. Then the Creation Era Kit is explained here, but you cannot download it here. And here's why. This is for everyone, but only those who bought the kit will get it. And then you go to Log In, and you will see the kit there. And when you click View Course, you see the kit and all the downloads. And a couple people said they didn't get all the downloads. Will you go back and look at what you have and what you need and re-download it again? So go back to the course. And then there's some journaling cards that you can download here in PDF or Ping. And Pings are not meant to be printed. I get a letter every single day that I can't print the Pings. Pings are not meant to be printed. Pings are for digital work, not printing. The PDFs are what you print. Then I tried to make a place, I put pre-class downloads all in one area, so in case you missed them somewhere else, that they'd all be here. And that's your two different covers, your cards. Okay, and then this is an explanation of faith booking, which is digital scrapbooking with Bible verses and some different pages that we've done. If you want to find out more about that, that's in there for there. Then the bibliography, which is the books that I use to create this class. Then there's this optional pre-class lessons. These are completely optional, but important if you're new to the Bible. I explain here why I did them, and we're going to look at the Old Testament structure, which is 9 Bible eras in the Old Testament, and there's 9 cards that show you those eras: creation, patriarch, Exodus, conquest, judges, kingdom, exile, return, and silence. And then the 66 books of the Bible and the 5 different divisions there. So you can download all that. Here I explain, if you only know the New Testament, you're missing 75% of the Bible. That's like watching The Wizard of Oz and starting at the flying monkeys. You don't know what's happening to who, where they started, where they want, their goals or their motives. That's why the Bible is so important to understand the Old Testament. And this gives you an overview of which books are in which categories. So read through that and download and make a page if you want to. I'll tell you something that's fun with this. Go ahead and download these, even if you're not going to make a journal, because you can shuffle these cards and see if you can put them in order. A lot of people can't because the Old Testament is not written chronologically, but once we're teaching it chronologically. And then the geography, which you can learn. The divided into land and into bodies of water. And that'll be real helpful for you to understand the Bible studies. Next is going to be the lessons. That's what will come down here. On the 5th, you'll get lesson 1. The next day, you'll get lesson 2. One other thing, when you log in, is you will see, if you're a member, you'll see the membership hub. In this membership hub, there's a welcome, how the membership works, an Etsy coupon. The coupon changes every month, but anytime you want to purchase anything from the Bible Journal Love Etsy shop, go get your coupon first, and you can get anything you want here in this for 50% off. Then there's a monthly kit offer this month. If you're a monthly kit and if you bought the monthly class and did not buy the kit, now you can buy the kit for $8, which is normally $20, so it's a great deal. And then there's members freebies, which right now we have the Cup of Blessings kit, papers and embellishments, and we have the creation elements. And there'll be things added every month to your membership freebies. So that's the membership hub. We did have, it's still showing, this exclusive members only, but I've changed that and I'm putting them all in the membership hub. So we do make a little changes, but just know that every time I make a change, it's to make it better and easier for you. So that's all for now. See you in the Facebook group. Bye-bye.